In the quiet corners of India, where resilience is born and dreams take root, a quiet revolution is underway. Through IndusInd Bank's Holistic Rural Development Program, villages are being transformed, one seed, one skill, one step at a time. This is the story of how communities once overlooked are now rising, not with aid, but with agency. Farmers once struggled against dry land and dwindling hope. Today, they harvest 2 crops a season, thanks to micro-irrigation, organic practices, and community-driven water conservation.
हम लोग पहले जो है ओपन में खेती करते थे, तो उसमें तो कीट का प्रभाव ज़्यादा होता है, टेम्परेचर का प्रभाव दोनों साथ ही रहता है। इन लोग हमको जानकारी दिए और जो इसका फंड था उस फंड के तहत हम लोग लिए, लेकिन लेने के बाद हमको बहुत सारा इसमें बेनिफिट दिखा। फर्टिलाइजेशन भी बहुत कम है स्ट्रेस के कारण, और बेनिफिट हमको बहुत अच्छा दिखा। और लगभग मान के चलिए एक नेट सेट से एक सीजन में 20-25 हज़ार रुपया मिनिमम हो ही जाता है।
Many farmers now grow sesame, flaxseed, onions, and more on soil that once cracked beneath their feet. In Begusarai, the Holistic Rural Development Program is rewriting the rural narrative through innovative agricultural practices. With concepts like the 50-50 agro-fisheries model, 200 agro-fisheries have been established this year alone, ensuring economic stability for farmers. Agriculture, when empowered by innovation, becomes a force for lasting change. In rural India, change begins quietly, but its impact is profound. Once struggling to make ends meet, rural women are now running thriving poultry businesses, creating shade nets to protect crops and creating a better life for their families. Saroj Kumari, once a daily wage worker, now vaccinates goats as a certified Pashu Sakhi, earning 17,000 in just 3 months. With her new income, she's paying for her daughter's education and saving to build her own home.
तो भैया आए बोले कि पशु सखी को बहाली निकला, उसमें हम बहाली हुई कि भैया बोलो यहाँ पर जाके आप काम कीजिए, दीदी को समझाइए। हम फील्ड में निकले, समझाने लगे। पहले तो नहीं समझ रही थी, ऑनलाइन को बात बूझ रहा है, हम तो जाएंगे ठीक है, शाम को फायदा मिलेगा। तो मेरे पति बोला कि नहीं, हम नहीं मारना है, चलो हम साथ देंगे।
These skilling programs, part of the Holistic Rural Development Program, are breaking barriers and creating pathways to economic empowerment, proving that when women thrive, communities flourish. From skills to livelihoods, the Holistic Rural Development Program's initiatives are the building blocks of empowered communities. In villages across India, the Holistic Rural Development Program is reshaping the narrative for women. Financial literacy and microcredit opportunities are enabling women to unlock their potential, turning small businesses into engines of change. Women are now stepping into leadership roles, inspiring entire communities to embrace economic independence and innovation. This is not just about financial independence. It's about fostering a future where women drive the change, paving the way for collective growth. Access to finance is unlocking doors to economic freedom across rural India. In Baraich, poor groundwater quality once left families anxious and unwell. Today, thanks to solar irrigation, IoT monitoring, and decentralized treatment units, clean water flows through the villages.
कि पहले हम लोगों को जो है काफ़ी दिक्कत होती थी, डीजल पंप, पेट्रोल टंकी जाना, श्रम लागत लगना। अब जो है इसके लग जाने से हम लोगों को काफ़ी सहूलियत है। पहले 2 ही फसल ले पाते थे, रबी और खरीफ। अब गर्मी में भी हम सब्जी, पशुओं के लिए हरा चारा, सारा कुछ उगा लेते हैं। साथ साथ सबसे खुशी की बात यह है कि जब डीजल हमारे चलते थे तो उसमें प्रदूषण फैलता था, धुआं फक 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 इंजन चलते थे। इस एरिया में हमारे 6 जो है वो हैंडपम्प बंद हो चुके हैं, पंपिंग सेट। और अब ये है कि पर्यावरण के दृष्टि से हम बहुत सुकून महसूस कर रहे हैं।
Every drop matters, and with smart solutions and community trust, water is no longer a worry, it is a strength. Jalpriya FPO isn't just a cooperative, it's a movement. They have addressed water scarcity by distributing sprinkler sets at subsidized rates, enabling over 470 farmers to irrigate efficiently. From 14 lakh in share capital to a 4.3 crore turnover in just 3 years, they have proven that good ecology is indeed good economics. When farmers lead and collaborate, whole communities bloom. In every growing crop, in every smiling child, in every confident woman, there is proof that change is not only possible, it is underway. With trust, training, and thoughtful interventions, IndusInd Bank is not just uplifting communities, it is empowering India, one district at a time. Together, let's celebrate these stories that form the fabric of a self-reliant, sustainable India.